All right. Hey there, everyone. Hitesh here, and welcome to the live stream. It's been a while that I have done the live streaming. I'm I'm very soon gonna try the live streams back. It's been a while, not while. It's been years that I have actually attempted these live streams and whatnot. So definitely would like to check out them again and see if the YouTube sends notification to some of the people or not. All right, this is a public live stream. All right. People are here. Folks are here. Hi, Suman. All right. So, looks nice. All right. Hey, all time favorite. Muto is here. Hey, good to see you, all of you. It's been a while that we have done any kind of live stream or something like that. And yeah. Are you coming to our college in April? As of now, nothing is planned. I'm not going to much of the colleges. I'm a little busy in my own. Uh, when you'll be in Bangalore again? No idea. Uh, no idea as of now that when I'll be in Bangalore. All right, this is going good. Let me just check. All right. Late live show. Yeah, you can say that. I was just chilling out. Thought to restart the live, and very soon I'll be restarting the live on a fixed schedule time. I used to do these Saturday lives, which was fun, and I'll start them very soon again. I was just checking down the setup. I have actually modified, moved from the last studio to the new one here, and all of that. So are you in Jaipur? Yes, I am in Jaipur, in my home studio. Hey Shubham, how are you? Hope you are doing good at your new company. There are a couple of fun stuff that I wanted to do. Surely we'll catch you up later on. Missing Saturday lives. Me too. I'm also missing the Saturday lives. Saturday lives were fun. Wanted to restart them. Now I have another channel as well. So I was thinking that how can I dedicate like 30 minutes to my Hindi channel, 30 minutes to this original channel, English one. So, yeah. Thank you so much. Really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Bangalore versus Jaipur, your favorite? All the time. Easy pick, Jaipur. Like there is something different about Jaipur. It's not as fast paced as Bangalore. It's a little bit slow, chill, relax. There is a vibe here, and I love that vibe. All right. So one request everywhere was talking about JS, but we want Rust tutorial. Nobody is going to watch the Rust tutorial. See, making a series on your YouTube channel is like killing your channel. Right now, I'm putting up a React Native series. I know that I'm killing my channel because people don't like the series. Only a handful of people are interested and they want to watch the series. The rest of them just want to watch like how I got 10 crores of job, how the package was there. Only the surface level videos people want. If you go in depth, you will suffer into views. It's easy to grab the views as well. Once in a while, I do that too. But if I put up a Rust tutorial, how many people will be watching? Let's just say 400. That's it. 400 people will watch it. And only out of that, 20 people or 30 people will finish it. So it would be like killing the channel itself. That's the reality. Yes, I am at my home. I am at my home at New Studio. This and I'm still checking out the stuff. The light, a little bit reddish light is still here. I need to adjust that. So now we are going to spam questions. Yeah, you can do that. This live is fun. Which VS Code theme you use? I use the default theme mostly, and I built on top of it. You should watch my VS Code stream on the VS Code channel. That's nice. Okay. How to speed up our thought process while developing some features? There is no such way of fast forwarding the thought process. Eventually, as you learn things, you you get to learn things and you eventually speed up. So there is no magic pill about it. It's just like that. All right, a lot of things are going on. A lot of people. How many people are here? We have. Where is the people actually? Where can I see it? I guess 138. Yeah, 138. 138 folks. Yeah, nice. Ah, Praveen says JavaScript live classes conducted by user or not in PW skills. It's just not me. There are other mentors as well. In case you don't know, I don't own PW. I just work there. It is my job. So I'm working as a job there. And whatever the tasks are being assigned, whatever my free time is, and how much task I want to take it, based on that, responsibilities are given to me. And whatever is given to me, I teach only that. It's not like the full class or everything is going to be managed by me. In case you don't know, I recently joined a job. It's almost like 1 year. I did join Krish's company, iNeuron, and that iNeuron got acquired by PW. So from last 1 year, I've been working at iNeuron, and now you can say I'm working at, almost can say like I work at PW Skills, aka PW. So the batches, the courses, everything, they launch it. I'm just on my learning phase, that how to manage the classes, how to build the content, how to work in a team and all of that. So my job is to teach the subject, which are being allotted to me, which I have expertise. There are other teachers in these, like these classes are very scalable. They launch their batches with the scalable thing in the mode, and they don't allocate one teacher to just one course. There are multiple mentors. They keep on introducing them, and that's how they run the classes. So just like that, they actually work with that. And all of my social media, that's a completely personal hobby thing that I do that during the late night part or whenever I get free time and all of that. Your favorite football club? None. I don't watch football that much. I used to watch basketball, but it's been years that I haven't watched. Okay. Please discuss about the hackathon in Jaipur 19. This is a hackathon by government. So PW is kind of pushing it, powering it, but it's majorly being done by or majorly being like entirely governed, stringed by the government of Rajasthan itself. I just got a call from PW office that, hey, here's a promotion video that you have to make. And I made that, edited that out and quickly just pushed it. So apart from that, I don't have much of information that how this is going to be. This is not a hackathon which I am conducting. It's conducted by rest of the information. You can find it on the website. The link is there and you can just look for that. It's on my Twitter. It's on my LinkedIn as well. So in case you are not able to find that. Any upcoming full stack batch on iNeuron? Actually, I have zero idea what they are planning, how they are working. Because now I'm stepping more into the teaching positions. I don't like these management roles and stuff. So although technically I am, but I focus mainly on the teaching part. So I have no idea what batches are going to get launched, how the planning is going on. That happens in the Bangalore itself. I just chill out in Jaipur and teach and have fun, just like that. So hope you're doing well. India needs teachers like you. Wishing all good health. Thank you so much. It feels so great. When I started teaching in my time earlier, almost like 10, 12 years ago, and I stated the fact that I want to be a teacher, it was such a non-lucrative job itself. Everybody said that you can use your potential somewhere else. You can get higher payment and all of that. But what I've learned is that you cannot compete with somebody who enjoys his job. And I enjoy my job. I enjoy teaching. I enjoy making videos. And there is absolutely no competition at all once you start enjoying your job. And that's what I do. I enjoy my job absolutely. Is this your studio? Yeah, it is. It is. It is my studio. Hi Tesh, lots of love from Kashmir. Tips to move on from bench to project. Bench, I think you cannot do it. There is nothing in your hand that you can move from bench to project. There is nothing absolutely in your hand unless you use office politics and kind of get leverage to your manager, which is something which happens a lot. But I think that should be a preparation phase. Start applying to different other companies as well. If you're on a bench, that's bad for you because you don't learn much on the bench. You just lose what you already know. Not a good idea. Uh, Akshit says, because of you, I started learning JavaScript. Love the way you teach. May God bless you. Thank you so much. I'm actually recreating my JavaScript series quite in depth on my Hindi channel as well. In case you understand Hindi, please watch it as well. Need your support on Hindi channel as well. You guys have shown a lot of love and support here as well. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Anirudh. I really, really appreciate Anirudh. He has been helping me for like, what, 4 5 years? Yeah, almost like that. At least 4 years, I guess. And sure, a lot of help comes from Anirudh. He's the man behind a lot of projects that we do on YouTube. A lot of KTs and everything happens. Which screen recorder do you plan to use now? I have already bought Camtasia license, but guys from the ScreenFlow actually reached me out. I have given them my debugging files and all of that. So logs I have given them. But I've already bought Camtasia license. Hopefully I'll be using that. Tried some test videos as well. So now I think I'm moving to Camtasia. We'll make a video on that. Okay. Sorry, Tesh, but we expected a lot in the web dev course on PW. But to be honest, pretty disappointed with the content. Can you please advise how to make it up? See, expectation is something that I cannot control. And you should really know that this is something which I don't control 100%. There are a lot of factors. There are a lot of people involved in PW. I'm not the decision maker here. I used to be at Learn Code Online, but after selling out the company, I am more of an employee and I just do what is being assigned to me. So I try my best whenever there's a topic or something which is given to me. I put a whole lot of my effort. Although content team gives me some content, but I always revamp it, add my own examples, my own stories into it and make it worth it. So if you'll watch all the videos that I have made, I'm pretty sure you will be very much happy with it. But there are other people as well who have their own expertise. I'm pretty sure they are also trying their best as much as they can. Rest, I cannot say much about. Is this, yeah. Anyways. I'm good in copywriting and editing, so please let me know. I was actually looking forward to hire editors a couple months ago. Now I have figured it out. I have got editor. He's working absolutely amazing. You have seen already the Reels videos and one roadmap video that went on to Hindi channel. He's editing it. So yeah, he is doing it. Your English is nice. Thank you so much. Now people say my Hindi is nice too. Thank you. By the way, how does it feel to actually see a live stream after a while, which is higher in quality? You can bump it up to 4K and audio is just like always. Yep, audio is just like always. It's pretty rock solid. Hi, love from Canada. The React Native series is awesome. Thank you so much. The guys at Hashnode were really kind to sponsor the entire series. They got a really good deal. I also got a really good deal. We were both happy. There are, I guess, 6 more apps that are planned to go. And after 5th app, we'll pick up the pace on building apps that has involvement of a lot of backend and functionality like sound, camera. So there's a lot that we have planned up. So yeah, we'll be doing it. Okay. So yeah, definitely expect more videos. And there are a couple of more videos that are there for roadmaps and whatnot and all of that. So we'll be definitely going with that. Any comment on Pint security certification? Pint guys are doing fine, actually. They are introducing something which I think should already be there. I don't know how come we missed it so long. Like security and APIs, like that should be an inbuilt feature in the Postman itself, at least basic ones. So they build up a nice product. I'm super happy with their products. I'm introducing it to a lot of students as well that, hey, don't go just for the certification, actually use the product. There is a nice free tier which can help you to secure your APIs. And that's a good thing. We talk about APIs. We talk about API security now. So that's a good thing, that the good initiative that they have taken up. Okay, I have my placements coming up and I don't have much time. Should I use AppWrite or Firebase on backend? Should I create my own create your own? That would be because you don't want to tell the interviewer or somebody who's going to hire you that, hey, I'm good at Firebase. Tell him that I can write code, and just impress him with your own customized code. Uh, Nothing much to see in 4K. What do you want to see? Dancing TikToks here in 4K? Come on, man. Please bring Saturday Live. Yes, that is the plan. That is the plan. That very soon we'll be kicking off the Saturday Lives, chilling out and sitting back here. I'll probably get a little bit relaxing chair and we'll just bump it off, like chill, relax, have a stream, or probably, what do you say if I put up a gaming setup or something like that? We play some game. I answer your questions on Saturday, chilling out, something like that. What do you think about that part? Because it's really soothing for me. I don't know how much you know, but you guys add a lot of value to my day. Whenever I come here, just spit the thoughts that I have in my mind, talk to you guys. It feels so nice. It feels that I'm making an impact and somebody is listening to me. It's like a therapy. It's like a therapy. So, yeah, I would love to do that. Pratham says, rest tutorial when? Thank you for the super chat, but not soon, because the React tutorial itself is going to take probably April. I thought it will be finished in March, but I think it will be finished in April. So yeah, April is already packed. And after that, there is one more series we are in talk with the sponsor. If they agree, we will roll it out absolutely for free again. High quality series. But Rust is not in the plan list as of now, but maybe sometimes things happen unexpectedly. How can I speak like you? Easy. Just be humble, make a big smile, don't worry about anything, and you'll speak like me, just like that. Are you married? Yes, of course. It's been 1 year. In the March, we completed one more year. Yes, I am absolutely married. Been 1 year and enjoying it. Spider-Man, God of War, Horizon, Last of Us, many more to stream. Spider-Man, would love to stream. God of War is a little tough for me. I play games in easy mode. I enjoy the game. I'm not that kind of a guy like, hey, make it in the toughest mode and just struggle there. No, I enjoy the story mode. I keep them in the absolute light setting. Game is made to enjoy, to have fun. And what's the point if you remove the fun? So Spider-Man, I think we can try that. How's your MTech going on? Something interesting about the MTech. I have to make a video because in the last semester, we studied a subject about research methodology. A lot was there to understand and learn. I have a video. And you'll be surprised to know that in this semester, I'm studying in my MTech, apart from cloud also, I'm learning HRM, Human Resource Management. This is something which I got interacted after getting into iNeuron, because before that, the company was small, so there was no HR. And now, when I went into iNeuron, I understood that there is a lot of compliances, government rules, how to manage people in the company, hiring, firing. Yeah, that happens. So it was new to me. So then I learned about HRM and now I'm studying it. So I'm understanding a lot of behind the scene of it. That's interesting. And by the way, the MTech is going pretty good. I have my exams on Monday as well. Some in term, some call them as mid-term. Yeah, whatever you say that. They are there. I have to study for that as well. But, studies happens last night. Nothing changes in that. But I'm enjoying. I have actually given myself entire year from the last, it's been 6 months. I have given myself entire 2 years to study, learn as much as I can before I do anything or something like that. What's your salary package? Pretty good. Krish is good enough in giving, very generous to give the salaries and package. But given the fact that, yes, I give back the company around 2.5 to 3x of what they pay to me. So yes, I'm valuable to the company because I give them, this is the exact amount that I give them back with my courses. Also, I give them a lot of face value, marketing, branding, that also. So yeah. And Krish is good enough, very, very generous enough in the salaries. My appraisal is also due in April, I think. Hopefully, they'll give me. This is fun. I never worked this long in any company. I usually have worked as a contractor. This is a full time job, so let's see. Uh, Thought about recession. I am immune to recession. I would say like that because I have built skills, and I think if I get an impact of recession, I can build things on my own. I have made myself recession proof, so I'm not worried about losing job or something. Please make a video of income tax for freelancer. I have to make a video about how do I pay my income tax. That's crazy. Like once I moved into job and realized that, oh gosh, this much I pay as a taxes for the salary. This is bad. I should not be working. Yeah. Are you from Jaipur? Yes, of course I'm from Jaipur. Why iNeuron is amazing team. Now it's PW Skills. PW Physics Wala, in case you don't know, acquired the entire company, and along with it, LCO got also acquired, just with attached. So it's fun. It's fun. We're chilling it out. How to meet you in Jaipur? Easy. I am available at JCRC University. Uh, you can find me here and there roaming around. What's your hobby? I don't call my hobby as a hobby now because coding was my job and hobby was YouTube. Now this is not hobby. This is consuming my everything, entire thing that I have. It is consuming that entirely. So I don't call this as a hobby now. All right. Let's move on to some interesting question. Why did you stop wearing iconic gray t-shirt? The job of the gray t-shirt was done. Whatever I wanted to achieve through that one single piece of t-shirt or one single color was achieved. I never said that I'll not wear any other color in the life. There were certain achievements I want to have in life, and once they were done, I moved to this t-shirt. So now my wardrobe is entirely in black. All right. So, interesting question. Where is that? Okay, Gaurav says, hi sir, is React JS course on LCO is updated? I would say fairly updated. There is nothing which will break the code. The code will run absolutely fine. But there are a couple of newer concepts that are there. So I think, yeah, it's fine as of now. Okay. Can we, Chai and Code community, create open source project together? Yes, of course. Why not? We also have one of the project which is coming up as open source. I think the announcement date is on 20th. That's a personal project, not a company project. So I wanted to release an open source project for a really, really long time. And from last month or so, we have been working on it. It's almost there. It will be super, super useful. It's a constant project. And the good thing is that I will invite a couple of developers from YouTube and Instagram, wherever you find the message. Here in Jaipur, I'll give an opportunity for you to come here, get paid, and work on that open source project. It's a constantly evolving, constantly developed project which we'll be working on. So very soon, I'll announce that. Probably, not probably, yeah. This 20th, we'll announce that. That is fun. So yeah, hope you're excited about that upcoming open source project. A long-term wish that I had of having something like this as an open source contributed by me and my entire team. A big shout out to them. So yeah, we'll be doing that. It's a really fun project. Very fresher friendly, very beginner friendly. So yeah. Okay, so how do you manage your time and please upload regular on Chai and Code? I was supposed to upload regularly, but you know, there are company works, there's MTech. I enjoy this video making process. I don't see this as a burden on myself that I have to push a video daily. No, I enjoy that. So yes, I'll upload that constantly, daily. Not daily, but yeah, constantly. But I enjoy. Let me enjoy the video making process. So that's what I will be doing. Okay. Sarthak says, Hi Tesh, recently got laid off from Big Four. So sad. Kindly give tips for what to do. I'm a fresher. You're not fresher. You just got laid off from Big Four. So don't count yourself as a fresher. You are pretty. You went to Big Four, man. Keep your morale a little higher than that. Okay. So, and one advice I would like to give you is to start revamping your resume, projects. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, there are a lot of questions coming in. How much share acquired by PW Skills? All of it. The entire acquisition. The news was there. The news was there. It got acquired entirely. 100% acquisition was there. All right. Hello, sir. Please make React course on YouTube. If we find good sponsor, I would roll out the entire new freshly built series on React with projects, of course, 5 or 8 projects in it. We need to find sponsor for that. Somebody needs to sponsor because there's a lot of effort, editing expense, gadgets expense. There's a lot of expense included in that. I don't want to put that expense on my pocket. So there needs to be a sponsor. Or can we do some kind of a like, no, I cannot do public funding. No, I cannot do that. That would be not ideal for my job. It will conflict. We need sponsor. We need sponsor. Should we master in React.js to be good front-end developer? Absolutely. These days, React is important, but I think still more important is JavaScript. That is much more important. How's life going these days? Very chill. Very, very chill. I'm learning a lot. Like I never thought that I'll be focusing so much in the cloud. I would be focused in so much of HRM. Like, can you imagine anybody studying human resource management? In the wildest dream, you wouldn't have thought that. But I thought I'm not just thinking about it. I'm studying it. Come to Assam. Yeah, I'll soon. I'll plan. As of now, I'm not traveling anywhere. Neither I'm interested in traveling. Call me a little comfortable at home. It's the entire year I've traveled a lot, so don't want to travel anywhere in the country as of now. Just want to chill. All right, so please come with Angular series like the recent TypeScript series, quality with FCC. I'll try. That's interesting question. Where is that? What's the selection criteria for hackathon? Zero idea, to be honest. This is going to be selected by the PW Skills team, Ainuron team, call them this one or potato. Yeah, same. So they will be selecting. I have no idea. I don't have even access to people who are actually filling up the form. I don't even have access, and neither I asked for it. DSA required for high-paying front-end developer. DSA is required. See, these days front-end development has changed. I'll probably make a video on front-end roadmap as well. This is entirely changed. The front-end developer roadmap is not just about HTML, CSS, JavaScript. There's a lot of performance optimization. There's a lot of API handling. There's a lot of caching. There's a ton of optimization that goes on because front-end developer these days don't just make buttons and forms. They actually handle a ton of things. So yeah. Do you have any % share in PW or Ainuron? Am I allowed to say this? I don't think so. I don't think so. I'm allowed to share this kind of information. I know that you have a little curiosity. That's okay. It's fine. If I would be at your place, I would be curious as well. But I think it's good. Nice triceps. I've started to go gym back, but I've been a bit lazy on the gym part. I'm trying to get back there. Please come up with interview preparation series. We'll try. Well, that's a good suggestion, actually. I'll definitely try. If you want, you can like the videos. Otherwise, chill. Please give some guidance for students. That's why I do these live stream. Ask any question. I'll answer that. Next time, please visit Triple IT Chennai. Ah, sure. But after a few months. Not going anywhere in the upcoming months. Sir, about JavaScript series, what about it? Ask some questions around it. Will you upload any other backend course in Udemy? I don't think so. I'm allowed to upload because I think PW don't want to upload any course on Udemy. iNeuron had once a side plan that we want to dominate over Udemy. That was a brief plan and I tried it. We were very successful in that as well. But I don't think so PW now wants to push any course on Udemy itself because preparing that kind of a course take 2 months or 2.5 months along like that. I don't think so they want it. They want to focus more on live classes and because that generates good and that actually serves a lot of audience as well. I'm not sure whether they want to go in this range because the unit economics doesn't works. It's not profitable to pull out any course for 400 rupees, 300 rupees, 500 rupees. It doesn't work, especially if you have mentors which have good experience and they are actively involved in the courses. It doesn't make sense. The rest is on them. I don't know what they want to do. I don't keep a track of it. I don't want to keep a track of it. I just chill out. React.js or Next.js? Depends what you are building. It's not like everything is just good. It depends. Situation. How to apply for Flutter dev jobs? I have 5 projects in Flutter. What kind of 5 projects you have? Is anything really crazy complex out of the 5? Or is something is there which has some crazy number of downloads, serving some people? That actually matters a lot instead of having 5 or 50 projects. How complex is the project? Is it just a to-do app or something more that you have spent like 2-3 months, good 2-3 months in it? So yeah, Aditya. I'll be participating in the hackathon for the first time as a first year student. You are on a good track. So no matter what happens, you are on a good track. I have backend development skills and React Native. Oh, cool. That is cool. How should I prepare? You're already prepared, man. If you can stand up and say that I have backend and React Native skills, you're already qualified. I think you can go as a solo and beat a whole lot of teams just with that. Yeah. Is React.js compulsory for React Native? Absolutely not. Not at all. Not even a tiny bit. Who said it like that? Like who said, at least for my courses, I never said that React is compulsory for React Native. You can just directly watch my React Native series. You don't need React to learn React Native. I've covered the concepts there. Or I will be covering the concept there. Whatever is there, I've already covered. But rest of them I'll cover there. Where do you live? I live in Udaipur. I live in this beautiful pink city, Jaipur. I know your city is also very beautiful. And especially in the rainy season, it becomes gorgeous. I'll plan this August to visit Udaipur with my wife. Hopefully. Usually we go for like random plans. Whatever the plans we make, it doesn't get executed. And the random plans always get executed. How to crack Mang companies from a tier 3 college second year student. There are a lot of courses who says we'll help you to crack the FANG Mang companies within 3 months of DSA and all of that. Oh man. I've already discussed a lot about this. See, if you want to crack these companies, it's not a piece of cake and it's not like you can certainly crack. But the path of going through the directly as a first job is one of the difficult one unless you get a referral. I think first switch or second switch and then going into these companies is far more better than directly targeting them. And these days, why you want to target these FANG Mang companies? They're a good startup, man, who pays so much better. There are remote jobs as well who pays crazy good, like crazy good. Like, see, these days if you just look forward, for an experienced guy, 6-7 years, making 1 crore is nothing. That is how it is. Those were the good days when LCO was owned by Hitesh. I think it's good. See, what happens is a lot of people believe that you were more happy with the LCO or something. But what I personally understand is if you want to reach somewhere, you have to leave somewhere. And I think LCO had this much potential only. I was good in making courses, quality content and stuff, but I was not good in scaling things up. generating the revenue. Like the iNeuron, the Krish, they have a bigger vision and they are able to generate much more of a revenue. I didn't had that skills. I had to accept this openly. I don't hide anything at all. So they have this much higher vision and higher capability of generating revenues and making organization much more bigger. I was good in producing quality content, connecting with the audience, giving them affordable content. I didn't made money with the LCO, much money. In fact, during the acquisition also it was good, but I was surviving good. I'm not gonna complain on that part. It was good, but I think now I have much more of a higher potential of building way bigger business than LCO and way faster. I have learned a lot in the last 1 year. And I think in the next 2 years also, I'll be learning a lot because now I'm focusing on reskilling myself a lot. Crazy. You should see how many books I'm reading on a daily basis and how much videos and courses and everything that I'm taking. Like my iPad, my phone, everything is filled up. Even in the gym, on the treadmill, I'm just listening to tech books and stuff. So I am upskilling myself on a crazy, crazy speed. And I have this privilege to do it. I would not lie on that. How much time does it take to learn MERN in hours? Hours is difficult. You do the calculation for me. So let's just say you spend 2 to 3 hours daily. I think within 2, 3 months, somebody should be good enough with the guided skills. 2, 3 hours of learning and then 2, 3 hours of your practice. I think within 2 and 2.5 months, you should be good. Decent. Yeah. But everybody has a learning curve. I have not done any internships, so how many projects should describe in resume? It's not about how many. It's about that one quirky project that is icebreaker, that makes a curiosity around the room that, hey, how you build that? What is that you build up? That is one thing. So one project that's quirky, that's useful, that you build out of fun, that is more important than just having this how many projects. So yeah, Praveen is right. Absolutely right. We all should follow Praveen. He is saying absolutely correct. Do we have some sound effects here? Yeah, we have some sound effects. Are you will be able to hear this up? Yeah, fancy stuff. Nice. We have this one also. Looks like Kapil Sharma show. Nest.js or Node Express? Node Express. Nest.js actually bounds you to not to do some foolish stuff and organize your structure better, but you should be free and first learn freely with the Node and Express. I would go with that. You might go with something else, but this is what I go. Please push a security course pro level. Industry need your touch. No, I don't want to go there. I don't want to make any security courses. Cloud security has my interest still because of my masters and stuff. I don't want to go back into the security days. That is the thing I've done. So I don't want to keep on doing the same thing over again because one day I'll be 50, I'll be 60. I don't want to say that, hey, I just did this one job only throughout my life. I want to be in 50s and 60s and say, hey, I did some crazy stuff. I enjoyed my life. I experimented a lot. I moved from this domain to this domain, enjoyed there, rocked there. That is something I want to do. Don't want to just stuck there. But surely I'll touch maybe something like cloud security or something that has my interest, DevSecOps. So I'm learning that. I'm not yet like fully in that, but I'm exploring it. Funky boy. Thank you so much. Okay. Should I go for MCA or job? At least finish your MCA. You've already done BCA, so I think MCA is at least. All right. Pretty good. Do we have any more questions? This was a live stream which was supposed to be just for fun. Didn't plan any live stream like that. I'll definitely plan something like that. Sit back, relax on Saturdays. This is so much fun. Probably I can do a live stream of teaching you something on any given day. That would be fun. and together we can build up a fun React app. Maybe I can teach you concept of Redux, something like that. In case you are interested, maybe we can set up a time that, hey, I'll teach you live Redux toolkit, maybe, or maybe I can go ahead and use PlayStation. No, I'm not in Xbox, PlayStation. So something like that. We can try this out. This is some AI talking. I see no coffee or fancy water bottle. Come on, man. How can you miss? Fancy water bottle. It's here. Just got this one. So water bottle, always fancy. This is something that I always do. So yeah, water bottle is still fancy. Sarfraz says, I am Bihari. Good for you. Good for you. Redux Live. Sure, teach something in live. Yeah, that would be fun. That would be cool. Is your wife also in software industry? Yes, she studied computer science, both in bachelor's and master's. But she is right now not interested to work anywhere. She's just chilling out. Nothing much. See, sometimes in life, a lot of people just run after something. And what we believe, both me and my wife, is you need to take out some time out of your life and enjoy the life as well. Don't make this life a lifeless race. Just chill out and enjoy sometimes. Give yourself some time out, and we are doing that. Happy with that. All right, so I think we are done. Okay, so Django or Node, whatever suits you. I would prefer Node, but if it is in the fast pace, I'll go for Django. I can start Django tutorials and Python tutorials and whatnot on this channel. Again, I probably can do a live stream of those. That would be faster. Video recording takes time, the recording, then the editing part and exporting. There's a lot. There is a lot that goes on into that. All right, so final note, go ahead, hit that like button in case you are interested in that part. And nice, it was really nice and feels good to talk to you back. Very soon I'll be starting the live streams on both channel, English and Hindi as well. This was just a test to see that the audio quality is nice and the video is pretty decent and okay. And I am chill and relaxed in this live stream. Don't want to like hurry up the things or be into the awkward position where I tire myself. Don't want to do that. Just chill, enjoy, relax. Want to do something like that. All right, so it was fun. And I'll surely share more of these things. We'll probably set up my PlayStation or something as a stream so that we can have some fun while playing the games on Saturdays. You know, this is for chill. All right, so that's it. And we'll surely catch up in the next such live stream. Thank you so much for joining in. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Share it with your friends. There's a lot of fun stuff on this channel. It definitely needs a lot of your sharing so that it revolves around in the college campus and stuff like that. All right. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Good night. And write some awesome code.